Yo, thanks for joining. Appreciate you all tuning in. I'm here with my son,
DJSquared.
and we are going to rip some packs. Let's get into it.
Yep. Today we got for you 2021 Panini Prizm draft picks. This is going to be pretty much just the everybody in their collegiate uniforms plus the rookies of 2021. And then we also have the 2022 Donruss Blaster Boxes. So this is going to be fun to open up. Let's get right into them.
All right. So we're going to start off with the Panini Prizm draft picks. This box came with 12 packs and a bonus Prizm pack. We'll open up that last. So I've already spared you all of me opening the actual box, and I'm going to start off with the first pack. I'm just going to start from the top to the bottom. Let's see what I'm ripping into. Jerry Rudy, or actually Jerry Judy, my bad. Oh, nice. Nick Chubb.
Nick Chubb, red ice. That's 2. So we got 2 red ice.
2 red ice per pack, I believe, right?
No, so it's 20. You'll find 22 per mega box. So you'll find 22 of these in the mega box, and then you're gonna unwrap 2 silver prisms as well.
So we got a Nick Chubb and a Justin Fields rookie card.
Those are not rookies. Those are just the collegiates. Oh, that one is a rookie.
They say rookie in the top corner.
Okay.
All-American Carlos Basham Jr. Jamie Newman, rookie. Actually, they probably will all no, because this Jerry Judy don't say rookie.
No.
It's collegiate, but it's not.
It's their collegiate uniforms, but there's veterans in there.
All right. All right, let's see. Baker Mayfield, Kenyon Drake. Sorry for the glare, folks. CD Lamb.
Cards.
All right, got a CD Lamb in the Ruby. Kyle Pitts rookie.
It's a red ice as well.
Red ice. Joseph Osai rookie. And of course, I'm always looking for the 49er players. Because that is my team. Alvin Kamara. Tom Brady in the red ice.
Ooh, nice. A red ice.
Oh, this pack only had 1.
Yeah, because now that's one of your silver prisms.
Ooh, Mac Jones. Mac Jones rookie. Okay, nice card. Micah Parsons. And Tyler Vaughn. Oh, USC. I like to hang on to USC players also. California team. So that Tom Brady, pretty dope. Got to sleeve. I'm probably gonna have to sleeve that one.
Well, shoot, all of these should be.
How about we put Tom Brady up there?
You got your sleeves next to you right there.
Okay.
And that was also a prism too, the Mac Jones.
That's. I was like, oh, let's grab 2 packs at once. Okay. David Johnson. Chase Claypool. Mike Evans. Alrighty. Devonta Smith. It's a rookie card. And Quiddy Pay. Alrighty. Next pack. That Tom Brady's pretty cool. I mean, I'm not a fan or anything, but it's a cool card. Not gonna lie. Jared Goff. Too bad he's not with there. Feels kind of thick. Kirk Cousins. Rashad Bateman. Justin Fields, All-Americans. Rookie. Dylan Moses. Rookie. All right. Debo.
Ooh.
Debo Samuel. I'll take it.
Debo.
Yep. That's what I'm saying. Antonio Gibson. All-American.
Pat Fryermuth.
Okay. Tyson Campbell. Not bad. Wow. Debo. Okay. George Kittle.
Nice.
Got Skittles. Amari Cooper. Asante Samuel Jr. It's his rookie card. In the was it what is it called? Red Ice?
Oh, the red ice ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Asante Samuel. Terrace Marshall Jr. Crusade. Another Micah Parsons. I believe that's all American. Russell Wilson, aka Rumpelstiltskin. Julian Edelman. Why he looking like a quarter? Oh, that's right. He did, huh?
Used to
In
play
college, huh?
quarterback, yeah.
Like what? Okay. Jamie Connor. This has a rainbow color to it. Okay.
That's it's the Prizm. So
Prizm.
you will find at least 2 of them.
Tylen Wallace. Zach Wilson rookie. Daniel Jones. Joe Mixon. Jamar Chase. This is a Crusade. Nice card. Trey Lance rookie. Got him.
Nice.
Got him.
I don't think I even have that one yet.
No. Rashad Bateman. Like I said, love pulling them minor rookies. Okay. Derrick Henry. Tyler Boyd. Ryan Tannehill. Carlos Basham Jr. Rookie. Patrick Jones, the second rookie. Sorry, folks, if I'm blowing through these packs. It's just a habit of mine. Just blow through these things. Josh Jacobs. DeAndre Swift. Jamie Newman. Chris Evans, rookie card. Mac Jones Prizm, All-American, rookie card. I think it's the second Mac. Oh no, who's the first Mac Jones we pulled? I think it's,
no, you did pull another one. It was in the Prizm Crusade.
Oh, okay. All right. Here we go. Last pack before the bonus pack. Juju Smith-Schuster. Got that USC uniform on. Yes. Kyler Murray. Jalen Hurts. Boo. No, I'm joking.
I'm not.
Still hurting because he beat our team, kind of. Not really, but kind of. Joseph Osai, rookie. Aziz Ojulari. All right. Not bad. Pulled me a Trey Lance, so I'm happy with that. Let's see what we get in this bonus pack.
It's going to be a nice auto.
Jeez. Come on, baby.
The Red Ice exclusive.
Your daddy's something good. Joshua Bledsoe. Don't know who you are, but I'll take it. I will take it. Draft picks.
You got to get that one sleeved and
Prizm.
top loaded.
Joshua Bledsoe. Safety. I'll take it. When it comes to autograph cards, I ain't complaining.
These come with a nice amount of the Red Ice too. I like it.
Yeah, it's a lot.
And then you got your 2.
All right. So that's the load from this first box.
2021.
I would say the
Prizm.
first top 3 that I pulled. Trey Lance. Of course, that's going to go into my collection. Tom Brady, not so much. And Joshua Bledsoe will go into the collection for now. Cool. Alrighty, we'll get into the next box.
All right, now we're getting into the next box. This is going to be the 2022 Donruss. I've already opened a few of the fat packs of these, actually. And I get pretty decent stuff, so I'm excited to see what I get out of a blaster box.
Yeah. I think these are some cool cards.
I love these cards.
Pretty, I mean, they're nothing fancy, basic looking.
Yeah.
But still cool.
Jameis Winston, Evan McPherson, Cortland Sutton, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Jonathan Greenard, Kurt Warner, yup. Buda Baker, Daniel Jones, Tremaine Edmonds, Terry McLaurin, Joe Mixon.
Who's that rookie?
We got a Majai Sanders, Tyler Beatty, and a Jonathan Taylor Elite Series.
Cool card.
Heck yeah. Let's get this one sleeved up and top loaded. Boom. I can't remember how many. I think there's 15 cards per pack, six packs per box, and I think this one can get a jersey piece or another Donruss Threads exclusive. Not too sure what those ones are. We got Cameron Hayward, Nick Bolton, Antonio Gates, Devin White, A.J. Brown, Elijah Mitchell, Roquan Smith, Nico Collins. We got a Trevon Diggs, Josh Allen, Kenneth Gainwell, Dan Marino. We got Garrett Wilson, Logan Hall, and a Tyrion Davis Price rookie. I don't know what.
Ricky
Revolution. Nice. And this dude did pretty well with this as well.
That's a nice card. That is really cool. That's a rookie card, right?
Yep. Boom. Already starting this box hot. All right. Pack number 3. All right. So we got ourselves a Chase Claypool, Travis Kelce, Grady Jarrett, Max Crosby, A-Rod, DeForest Buckner, Van Jefferson. Why is his name Ryan Tannehill? His name just slipped my mind. Marquise Brown, Quinnen Williams, Justin Jefferson, Darius Slayton, Tyquan Thornton, Drake Jackson. I think I might already have this rookie. We got a rated rookie. I think that's yeah, that has to be Aiden Hutchinson. Ooh, this one's nice.
That is cool. It's sketched or something.
Yeah, it does. That's a nice card. Get that one sleeved up. All right, pack number 4. All right, we got Adam Trotman, Chidobe Awuzie, Mike Alstott, Najee Harris. We got
another 90.
big boy Bosa.
Nice.
Reggie Wayne, Isaiah Simmons, Caleb Fairley, Jordan Poyer, Zach Wilson, Joe Burrow, Micah Parsons, Dawson Knox, Calvin Austin rated rookie, Aperion Winfrey, and then if you guys are into the codes,
what's the codes for?
For the Super Bowl Kid Reporter, chance to win. Well, we'll see if somebody's out there that's into it. J.C. Horn, Dan Fouts, Vita Vea, Greg Newsom. We got a Trey Lance.
Nice.
Khalil Mack, Brandon Cooks, David Bakhtari, Miles Sanders, Xavier Howard, Rashad Bateman, Ajay Vera Tucker. I think that's the Kenneth Walker rated rookie, and a Skylar Thompson rated rookie. And we got ourselves a Pressure Seal Super Bowl, Aaron Donald.
That's a cool card.
I do like those cards. And the last pack of the box. I think that that might be considered the Ooh, did I get gypped out of a box?
Out of a what?
I didn't get my hit of the box. That has to be this one. McCole Hardman, Cordero Patterson, Kenyon Drake, Michael Thomas, Kwity Paye, Robert Woods, Taylor Lewan, Jeff Okuda, Brett Favre, Kadarius Toney, Montez Sweat, Corey Davis, Tyler Boyd, David Bell, and we got ourselves a press-proof Tony Pollard. Tony Pollard? What? I didn't get no type of threads or nothing. Damn, that sucks.
Is it guaranteed? Is it say?
It says look for you.
What's just a look for?
Well, honestly, I'm kind of satisfied with the Rookie Revolution and the Elite Series, or the Elite Series.
Yeah.
Get this one sleeved up.
Got a few Niner cards out of it.
Yeah, I did.
Not numbered.
Nah. Even though that one's pretty, that one's pretty nice too. But these are our 2 hits of the box.
Cool.
These are pretty nice. I don't know if I would buy the box again. I actually find myself getting more luck in the hanger packs. But this is more to complete the set. I have to double check. I might be close to completing this set. Maybe.
Jeez, not that many already, huh?
Yes and no. But that's going to be it for the video today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. We truly do appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch these videos. I hope you guys enjoy it. I believe we got you got comic books coming up.
Yeah, I have a couple Kickstarters I got in the mail. Want to share those for the next video.
Cool. So that's something to look forward to, guys. So if you guys are not already subscribed, I believe 96% of the viewers on this channel are not subscribed. So if you find yourself coming back to the channel and watching these videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notifications. That way you guys are not missing any of these videos when they do get posted. As well as if you guys haven't checked out my channel at DJSquared, I also do card openings. So if you guys haven't checked out that channel already, I'll have the link down in the description below. Also, follow our social medias. Those will also be in the description below. And let us know down in the comments, what was your favorite card that we pulled today? I think mine was probably, I'm going to say the Tyrion Davis Price, just because it's a Niner rookie, and to be biased.
Yeah, mine was going to be, I'm not going to lie, Trey Lance rookie.
That Trey Lance rookie, or even that Debo.
Yeah, Debo too. It was an old rookie card, no, but still, Niners.
Yep.
Can't go wrong.
Yeah, that's just a biased take.
That's actually my first Trey Lance rookie card.
Yeah, I have yet to find one.
And I've opened a box of this the 2021 Prizm.
Yeah.
Already.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't pull one, so yeah, this was a good box for me.
Oh yeah, for sure. But with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Appreciate you joining. Peace.